Well, folks. Uncle Russ and I barely made it out of there alive after hearing that squatch. But this camera I'm using now has been acting up on me, so I went ahead and picked up one of these GoPro things here. This is a used one, new for me. It's the 9 series, so I guess it's waterproof. So I'll be trying that out. Maybe we can see if it's a little more consistent than this old handheld. Yeah, maybe it's a little more consistent than this old handheld camera that's shutting off on me now as I make this video. But anyway, hopefully we can get out there and do some prospecting sometime soon. I'll catch you in a few. And it's that time of the year again to spread a little bit of bull turds. Anyhow, I'm going to get some of that done and then hopefully get the work done so Uncle Russ and I can maybe take a little prospecting trip, adventure. Alright folks, I'll catch you in a few. Now folks, that there is some grade A manure. Had it aging for, I don't know, a couple years now. It's almost like down to dirt. I better get this stuff spread. I just hope I don't have a bout with the turd flu after doing this. Well folks, there it is. Got this manure spread in here in this plot. Not sure if I'm going to have a garden this year, but figured if I do decide to, I better get some fertilizer on it. I know some folks like to use the bags of fertilizer, the chemical fertilizer. I like to keep it natural as I can. Not saying there's traces of Roundup in this manure. I try to source an organic source, as organic as I can. But these days that shit's everywhere. No pun intended. The Roundup is, can't get away from it. Alright, I'll catch you in a few folks. I'm going to get the tiller out. Actually, I'm just going to use a shovel to turn this over by hand, all of it. No, I'm just kidding. I used to do that, and you can do that if you don't have a machine. But yeah, I got a little Kubota with a nice little tiller on the back, so I'm going to hit this real quick and keep moving.
Don't fall in love with me, darling.
Well, folks, there it is. Got those turds all tilled in nicely. I'll let that sit for a few weeks before if I decide to plant it, I'll do that then. Let it get a few rain showers on it, and then as I plant, if I do, I'll till it in as I go. I'll re-till it, and then because there'll probably be some weeds that start then. Anyhow, that little tractor does a good job. And we'll catch you in a few. Here's a little closer look at that orange tractor I've got. It's about a 1998, I believe. Inherited that from my dad when he passed away. It's been a good little tractor. These tillers, I think that's 48 inches wide, so that does a good job. I think this tractor is about a 30 horse. Anyhow, seat's kind of in rough shape, but mice got a hold of that. Other than that, it's been a good tractor. I wouldn't mind getting a cab for it for the winter time, snow blowing and such. But